I'm Wesley Guerra. I'm from Wichita, Kansas, and I'm going to be a senior at K-State. I grew up working little construction stuff, landscaping, and as a kid I could never really sit still in the classroom, couldn't focus. I enjoyed hands-on and like learning hands-on. That's how I learn. I don't learn by explanation, I learn by demonstration. When I was graduating high school, my mom told me to pick a major on the sheet, and I looked at them all and they weren't very interesting to me. But when I saw construction science, it just felt comfortable. My first year, it was still school, you know. Like I was going through the motions and I didn't really feel that drive and that passion. And then I worked my first summer in construction again, and going back my sophomore year, I was all in. It was just stuff was starting to click and school was starting to reflect work. It's just different. And when you're at school, it's still school, but like you're learning about what you're gonna do in the field, which is cool. If I had to give myself advice, instead of focusing on what you're bad at, focus on what you're good at and chase that and try and figure out what you wanna do based on your skills, not your weaknesses. Build up Kansas.